guys to my YouTube. Today I'll be showing you guys a high protein salad that I eat Monday through Wednesday, because those are usually my work and from office days, and I usually go in at 5 a.m. I go to the gym at 5 a.m. and I usually eat the salad around like 11 or 12, because my first meal I like to have high protein and some greens rather than carbs. So I'll show you guys the ingredients. So we have some organic spring mix that I usually grab from Costco. Tuna that I grab from Costco as well too, comes in a pack. I got some cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes that I grab from Costco as well too. As you can tell, I love Costco. Some rotisserie chicken from Costco as well too, $5, very cheap. Then I add in some cottage cheese and some Greek yogurt as well too, which I grabbed from Costco. So guys, I just washed some of the cherry tomatoes and I just dice it up to go into a salad, just like this. So for my cucumbers, I usually like to skin it and then cut it into bite-sized pieces, so just like this. Cut some of the chicken, the rotisserie chicken, and then I will cut it into pieces, little pieces, to put it in. Hey guys, so we got everything chopped up right now, so I'll show you the process. So I put half of the spring mix in a bowl, and then put in the chicken. Add your tomatoes. Then add your cucumbers. It looks like it's a lot, but once you mix the Greek yogurt and the cottage cheese in it, you see that everything comes out well. You add your tuna. Also, guys, you don't have to use tuna. You can use eggs if you want as well too, or any protein as salmon, whatever, any protein of your choice, by the way. But I use chicken and tuna sometimes, and sometimes I use chicken and eggs. Today I'm using chicken and tuna. Okay, then grab a spoon. Usually use about this much of Greek yogurt. And for the cottage cheese, use 2 scoops as well too. I'm telling you, everything look a mess right now, but it will come out well. Promise you. So guys, this is how I mix it. Okay guys, so this is how I package it. I usually do add avocados, but I don't like to add avocado the day before, because avocado usually turn brown and I don't like that. So I will add that in the morning on top to go. Like I said, it's very good to have your greens and your protein early in the morning rather than have any carbs. So that's what I like to have. And then the avocados as healthy fat. Okay, so guys, pretty simple. Now it's done. Just package it up. It goes in the fridge. Like I said, in the morning, I will add avocados Pretty simple, you know, lunch slash breakfast that I usually have Monday through Wednesday. At work, because those are my work from office days, and it fills me up. I feel good after, you know. So come back to that. As you can see, simple protein salad that I usually eat. You guys can try it and let me know how it is.